Empower direct deposit changes are usually completed by updating your paycheck information with your employer or payroll provider, because your employer controls where your wages are sent. By the end, you'll know how to switch your direct deposit for Empower, what information to update, and what to check if your deposit does not appear after the change. The first step is reviewing the account information connected to your Empower account. Open the Empower app and confirm that your account details are correct before making any payroll changes. Your paycheck is controlled by your employer's payroll system. Changing information only inside Empower may not redirect your paycheck if your employer still has your previous account details saved. To switch your direct deposit, contact your employer's payroll department or log in to your company's payroll portal. Find the direct deposit settings and replace your old payment information with your updated Empower account details. Enter the information carefully before submitting the update. Incorrect details can cause your paycheck to be delayed or sent to the wrong account. After your employer confirms the change, monitor your next paycheck deposit. Payroll updates may require processing time before the new instructions become active. If your direct deposit is not showing in Empower, check 3 areas. First, confirm that your employer completed the payroll update. Second, verify that the account information you provided was correct. Third, open the Empower app and check for any notifications or messages related to your account. Avoid removing your previous direct deposit setup before confirming the new one is active. Keeping track of the change helps you identify whether a problem happened during payroll processing or account setup. If you need to fix an Empower direct deposit switch issue, follow the process in order. Verify your Empower account details, update your employer's payroll information, and confirm your next paycheck reaches the correct account. The main points are simple. First, direct deposit changes are handled through your employer or payroll provider. Second, accurate account information helps prevent delays. Third, checking your first deposit after switching confirms the update worked. Your next step is to open Empower, review your account information, and update your direct deposit details through your payroll provider. If this guide helped you fix your issue, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.